Ted Bundy was one of the most famous serial killers in American history, having murdered over 30 women throughout the United States. He was known as handsome and charismatic, which helped him to lure in his victims. So keep that in mind next time you're talking to anyone attractive. They could be a murderer. In this video, we're going to cover 3 little known facts about Ted Bundy that not a lot of sources talk about. Fact 1. His grandfather may have also been his father. Ted Bundy lived at home with his siblings and his parents, like most families. But there was something a little off that Ted didn't find out until he was about 15, when he discovered that his sister was actually his mother, and his parents were actually his grandparents. The story of his father is a little more sinister. His mother named 2 men, but there aren't any records that say they actually existed. There's a lot of evidence to suggest that his grandfather was his biological father, making Ted the product of incest. Old Grandpa Bundy had been having sexual relations with his daughter and then decided to raise the child he reared with her. Fact 2. His victims all resembled an ex-girlfriend. Ted Bundy met a girl. That girl broke his heart. She broke up with him as at the time he had no ambition or direction in life. The template of this girl was the exact demographic of all of his victims: young, white, middle to upper class women. In a strange twist, when he was successful and put together, he rekindled the relationship with her, even discussing marriage. He then promptly ghosted her. He just wanted to prove to himself that he could have her. Fact 3. Hannibal Lecter is based on Ted Bundy. Silence of the Lambs, a movie about a notorious cannibal helping authorities track down another serial killer, is based in part on Ted Bundy. After Ted Bundy was caught and sentenced to death, he worked with the authorities to help dissect the mind of a killer. This led to the capture of the Green River Killer. These are just a few little known facts about Ted Bundy that you may not uncover watching the various movies about him, and help to paint a deeper picture of a serial killer who captivated America. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.